Beautiful boy. Look at you. Hey, Daddy. You running around. He hears you. Mama hears you too, and she ain't so freaked out anymore because you're getting so big. Look at you. Your eyes are open. I know. You're beautiful. I know. This is part, yeah, I know this is the part you hate. My little ringtail. It's got the white tip. 1, 2, 3. Looks like 3 bands. This little mark right there in the middle is kind of funky. I don't know if those, as usual, seems to have them on both sides. Kind of bands on his legs too. One right there. One right there. He's a cutie. Alright. That's ringtail. Mo.